हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम बात करेंगे यूजीसी नेट 2014 के लाइब्रेरी एंड इंफॉर्मेशन साइंस के पेपर 3 के बारे में। नेम द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन इन विच द मोर इंफॉर्मेशन वी हैव, द मोर वी यूज, द मोर इट बिकम्स द यूजफुल synergetic characteristic. MIS provides all sort of information required for wrong question. Identify the correct sequence of elements of communication, that is source, encoder, message, channel, decoder and the destination. Who has recommended the establishment of district, taluka, town and village libraries, that is Fauci report. From which year the Encyclopedia Britannica says it's a print version in 2012. Indian Citation Index is developed by Knowledge Foundation. The class index entries which are derived from the class number of a document are based upon the south link. Which of the following does not belong to the set of canon for the characteristic, that is canon of currencies? Samoylovsky and Mary Piggott are associated with which of the following? Cataloging. Who advocate the 7 basic statistical tool for quality control? Kaoru Ishikawa. Lots of copies keep stuff safe project were launched by the Stanford University. Koha is written in which of the following language? That is Perl. Which of the following is an example of URN ISBN? The CIP Catalog in Press India project is initiation of the Raja Ram Mohan Rai Library Foundation. Identify the founder of Wikipedia from the following. That is 2 and 4. Jimmy Walsh and Larry Sanger. Alerting service is provided before and after the publication of primary sources and for individual as well as the groups. Hierarchical relationship among concepts indicates 1 and 3, that is genus specific relationship and whole part relationship. The principle of facet sequence includes cow-calf principle, wall picture principle, whole organ principle. Identify the assistive softwares, that is second and 3, Dragon and JAWS. Which of the following are feature of Open General System? C, that is 3 and 4, online submission and subscription module with delay open access option. Identify the types of OCR technology, that is 1, 3, 4, matrix matching, feature extraction and structural analysis. Match the following search techniques with their relevant example, that is truncation, compound, wildcards, worm, proximity, content collection and field sharpening, education and biochemistry and antibodies. Which of the following are features of flash memory? 1 and 2, non-volatile memory and erasable and programmable read-only memory. SQL is based on which of the following? Relational algebra and relational calculus. What are the approaches to plagiarism check of academic publication? String matching, bag of words analysis and citation analysis. Identify the technology of digitization, that is 1, 2, 4, bit depth, resolution and image enhancement. Which of the following are the types of validity of the measurement? That is 1, 3 and 4, constructs, content and predictive. Which are not open source library software? That is 1 and 4, Bibliosys and Virtua. Identify the abilities of an information literate person, that is 1, 3 and 4. The ability to find information, the ability to use information and the ability to evaluate information. Which of the following are threats to information security? That is 2 and 4, compromise to IPR and acts of espionage. Identify the compression protocols, that is B, 2, 3, 4, JPEG, ZIP and LZW. Which of the following are sources for review of reference books? Wrong question. A multilingual dictionaries provide equivalent words in 3 or more languages. Reason: they generally do not define the words, but they give equivalent words in one or more foreign language. Both are true. Wikis have provided everybody an opportunity for authoring, editing and publishing. Reason: Web has provided very generic rules for creation, maintenance and development of wikis. Both are true. Bibliographies are bibliographic tools for print and electronic document. Reason: bibliographic denotes an enumerated list of hypertext links surrounding a common subject following standard citation style. A is false but R is true. An ISO 2709-2008 record structure and review format has record, label, directory, data field and record separator. Reason: ISO 2709 is a subject of mark. A is true but R is false. Knowledge management is an extension of conventional library management. Reason: knowledge management deals with elements like content, technology and culture. A is false and R is true. Precision ratio is a measure of the efficiency of an indexing system. Reason: presence of relevant terms increase the precision ratio. Both are true, but R is not the correct explanation of the A. The objective of cross-reference is to improve access to published scholarly works through collaborative technology. Reason: Crossref is a non-profit membership association founded and directed by publishers. Both are true. The traditional management process differs from the quality management. Reason: quality management focus on customer in the management process. Both are true. DOI is the identification system for the intellectual property in the digital environment. Reason: DOI is developed by WIPO. WIPO. A is true but R is false. Social networking tools are very effective for marketing of library products and the services. Reason: it does not have to reach out to patrons anywhere, anytime. A is true but R is false. A database can be searched with a query language. Reason: a database can store a large amount of the data. Both are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. To increase accessibility to information for differently able users, we need to accept assistive technologies. Reason: information for all. Both are true and R is the correct explanation of the A. The plagiarism detection software implements a generic detection approach for all types of materials. Reason: there is no difference between text and source code plagiarism. Both are false. UGC notification mandates a submission of electronic thesis and dissertation by the researcher in universities to facilitate open access. Reason: UGC wants to monitor the quality of research through open access. A is true but R is false. A bibliometric study is the popular area of research on which maximum number of PhD degrees have been awarded in India. Reason: bibliometric study adds to the extension of the fundamental research. A is true but R is false. According to National Knowledge Commission, the library and information services sectors in India had not kept pace with the paradigmatic changes taking place in the society. Reason: there is no proportionate growth in library resources. Both are true. Arrange the following in the chronological order. First, Imperial Library Act, then Delivery of Books and Newspaper Act, then RTI Act and last IT Act. Arrange the following in the chronological order. Answer C, that is Berne Convention, then Universal Copyright Convention, then Rome Convention and WIPO Copyright Theory. Arrange the following in the chronological order. Wrong question. Arrange the following bibliographies in the order of their chronological development. Wrong question. Arrange the following according to year of the origin. 1. Encyclopedia Britannica, then Encyclopedia Americana, then World Book Encyclopedia, and last Wikipedia. Arrange the following in correct classified order as per the CC. Right answer C. 2A, 2:5, 2, 3, 4, and last A. Arrange the following according to the procedural steps. Receipt of the recommendation, then checking titles and bibliographic details, then preparing MasterCard, and last duplication checking from library catalog. Arrange the following according to the year of the publication. PNG code, Sears list of subject heading, CCC and AACR 1. Arrange the following according to year of the date of the origin. Statistical analysis, statistical bibliography, librometry, and last bibliometry. Arrange the following activities in the order as given by Ellis in his model of information seeking behavior. Browsing, differentiating, monitoring, and extracting. Arrange the sequence of the following steps follow in classifying a document according to column classification. Kernel title, analyze title, transform title, and last title with the standard passage terms. Arrange the following steps in the order of accessing the book. Check books as per the order placed. Then arrange books as per the bill. Enter the accession number in the register, and last write accession number on back of title page of other relevant pages. Match the following infringement. Unauthorized use of IP, enforcement, criminal penalties, misappropriation, breach of trade secret, counterfeit, international forgery. Match the following ALA 1876, SILIP 2002, SLA 1909, ILA 1933. Match the following Sayaji Rao Gaikwad, Public Libraries, DP Chattopadhyay, Revision of Salary Scale, KD Metcalf, Library Building, and BS Keswan, Librarian of National Library. Match the following Elsewhere, Scopus, Thomson Reuters, Web of Knowledge, EBSCO, Academic Search, and ProQuest, Aerospace and High Technology. Match the following informing about best book, Reader's Advisory, a guidance to use citation manual, that is user education, providing prints for the download support service, providing list of URLs, bibliography. Match the following market segmentation, category of users, consumer analysis, user behavior, market positioning, prioritizing user, market program, market mix. Match the following India, that is induction, agriculture of feed, lamination, biochemistry, fusion, and biological science, agglomeration. Match the following standing order, that is for serial publication, still cancellation, blanket order for supply of institutional publication as and when published, firm order, routine publication on order, approval order for publication on recommendation. Match the following HTML, that is display data, XML describes data, Unicode platform independent VB script interpretation by web browser. Match the following organization with the relevant mission. National Mission on Libraries Capacity Building. National Mission for Manuscript connects India past with the present. TKDL. Digitization of Ayush literature. NME ICT nurturing of the talent. Match the following: simple random, equal chance, systematic random, natural order, stratified random, subgroups, judgment, representative. Match the following: semantic differential scale, opposition positions, Thurston scale, group of judgment, interval scale, equal units of measurement, Likert scale, graded structure. Match the following: barren hypothesis, that is loss of limbs, idiographic hypothesis, Sima will top this year, nometic hypothesis, quality of correction, crude hypothesis, Indian men marry at 26 to 28 years. Match the following: multiple choice question, that is alternative answers, loaded questions, personal opinion of the interviewer, contingency questions, subgroup of respondents, and open-ended question, no set of answer. Match the following: mean sigma x divided by n, degree of freedom r minus 1 into c minus 1, median, that is n plus 1 divided by 2, chi-square sigma o minus e square divided by e.